another shooting range, but it's gonna be like still different. And it's gonna be using one favorite gun. And it is the pistol. And you see, I got a truck all set up to shoot. But you can't shoot the truck. You gotta shoot the block first. This is about to be the hardest thing ever made. No lie. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys see that? Sorry. Out of ammo. Getting some more ammo. I don't got any ammo. Really? That's not cracking. I think. No, 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 no. Sniper. I don't care what I say. This is the hardest thing ever, but this one looks like it's inside of the gun. That's inside of the gun, guys. Guys, see my face? Alright, let's get back into this. And it's just my tablet about to die. So we gotta make this video quick. That's the only thing we're gonna be shooting today. Take one shot. First, it's the man. No, the man just sitting in the back. So it's 2 shots. If you don't do it, I'll lose. Yep, I shot the man. Now let's shoot the block. That's it for today. Close up this video.